losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back.
The OnePlus Watch 2 was launched alongside the OnePlus Ace 3 Pro. It features a superb design, many health sensors, and good battery life. Friends, today I am going to share the unboxing and first impressions of the OnePlus Watch 2. Hey guys, it's Mikey from techmaiky. Please subscribe and turn on notifications by hitting the bell icon for more amazing tech videos. So here are the boxes for the OnePlus Watch 2 and OnePlus Buds 3. This time, both accessories come in green colors. The OnePlus Watch 2 has a silicone strap and a double crown. The dial part has an asymmetrical design, and the watch isn't very heavy, weighing about 60 grams. When you start the watch, you can see the dial. The bezel around the dial isn't too large. The screen-to-body ratio is high, and the watch offers many watch faces. You can see the actual effects here. The OnePlus app also provides several default watch faces. Pressing the crown opens the menu, and the animations are smooth without any lag. The watch supports eSIM, so you can make calls without your phone. It also supports many third-party apps. The watch also includes maps with accurate location tracking thanks to dual-frequency GPS support in the OnePlus Watch 2. You can view the real-time camera screen on the watch. In China, this watch supports many NFC-enabled car keys, a feature not yet available, so you won't need to carry car keys and can access your car with the watch. The watch also offers many sports modes. The watch has many health features, including heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen levels, sleep tracking, and more. In terms of battery life, it lasts 4 days in smart mode and 12 days in light smart mode, thanks to its 500 mAh battery. With eSIM support, you can connect headphones to the watch and make calls without needing your phone. You can also make calls without headphones, but using headphones offers more privacy. The OnePlus Watch 2 comes with a Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 processor built on a 4nm platform. It has an IP68 rating, 32 GB of storage, and 2 GB of RAM. It also supports 7.5 watts wired charging. The price of the OnePlus Watch 2 starts at 799 Chinese yuan, which is about 195 pounds in the UK and $248 in the USA. So friends, how do you like the OnePlus Watch 2? Let me know in the comments. Also, tell me which smartwatch you use.
Panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.